Jill sir. So he is very genius in his work. He's an English TGT. He recently took for one project work ham radio to Hyderabad. Sir will explain you. How many of you went there, visited with sir? No. Then it is useful for you. Sir is going to tell you what is exactly ham radio, how it is going to help.
Good afternoon to one and all, on the dais and off the dais. Let us not go for all the introduction part. We will directly jump into the concept, right? As I was saying, that this particular topic is there in 9th class. Okay, anyone 9th here? Fine. So this particular topic is included in English textbook in 9th class. Now, had it not been much important, it would not be included in the textbook. So we need to understand that it's that much important. No one should be careless about this. Everyone should be careful and more cautious about this. Need to give more importance, right? Generally, everyone thinks that radio means the regular radio, FM radio, which we know that we get only songs. But this is not that radio. Boy, from that. This is not that radio. Okay? This is amateur radio. And a person who operates this is amateur radio operator. Even police have the same thing in their hand. But their range is different, our range is different. Their bands are different, our bands are different. Okay? Police may not have the license, but an amateur radio operator needs a license. A license copy which I hold now. Okay? Now how to get this license? We need to apply. We need to write an examination. We get a pass certificate. We again apply for the license. Two types of licenses are there. We get call signs. When we get a license, we get a call sign. Two types of call signs. VU2. VU means India. Okay. VU3. VU means India. Second rank, third rank. Previously, I had a call sign VU3 OND. Oscar, November, Delta. But now, I got upgraded. I wrote another exam. And so, I got another license, upgraded license. We call it general license. Previously, restricted license. And now, general grade license. VU2. LYV. Lima, Yankee, Victor. Now, why is that I spell like LYV? I spell LYV, which you all know. But if everyone wants to know, I have to say Lima, Yankee, Victor. So, one language, one world. There isn't any confusion. Throughout the world, all the radio operators follow some rules, some language, very simple language. And when they read out some letters, they just not read the letters, they read it in this manner. Alpha, Beta, Charlie, Delta, likewise A to Z. Okay? So licenses, 2 grades, VU2 grade, VU3 grade. I got VU3 first, later on upgraded to VU2, right? Now, what is this? What is this license? We know driving license. Let me tell you, amateur radio operating is a hobby. The king of hobbies, for which central government gives a license. We don't have any other hobbies which has a license. Cooking, drawing, painting, carpentry, singing, watching TV, all these are hobbies, but we are not given licenses. But this is the only hobby, because it is the king of the hobbies, it is given the license. The one who has a license can operate. The one without the license can listen. Short wave listeners. Is there anyone who came to the LARC convention? To Hyderabad? No one? Yeah. You were given SWL. Now, why do we need a license and why should we have this habit? Is a big question. Number one, answers. We improve our communication skills and our listening skills. How means there is a strategy. Every day you listen. Every day you listen to people throughout the world. All areas, all regions, they speak to us. We speak to them. We listen to them. So listening and speaking habit develops a lot. Apart of that, you get a good community. Now I am a member of Lamakhan Amateur Radio Club, the best club in India. The club which does a lot of research work on electronics and wireless communication gadgets, and also exports and even provides it to our satellites. Our Indian satellites, whenever wireless satellites are moving, this particular club will provide some equipment, upgraded equipment. So I am a member of that. So you will also be becoming a member of some club one or the other day. A part of that, you will be meeting people on air and eyeball. Face to face you will be meeting. Sometimes on air. There are events only for women. There are events only for children throughout India. Some events are there. Not only that, whenever you are on a move to the uphill or down into the valleys, when our regular communication becomes zero, ham radio is the hero. Uphills you go, konda meedaki ellina signals dorkavu, loya lopala ellina signals dorkutaya dorkavu, akkada zero అయిపోతుంది, అప్పుడు ఇది హీరో లాగా పనిచేస్తుంది. Okay, so we are not linked with some big tower. ఎయిర్టెల్ వాళ్ళు, బిఎస్ఎన్ వాళ్ళు టవర్ మీద డిపెండ్ అవుతారు. మనం డైరెక్ట్ శాటిలైట్ కనెక్షన్. ఓకే, సో దట్స్ ద థింగ్. నౌ apart of that, there are a few students who got greeting cards from the space station. Greeting cards from the space station. Long ago, we people used to prepare greetings and we used to give to our teachers and our friends. Days have gone. You are not providing any greetings. New Year ki greetings ichara? Ivale. Okay? But there are greetings given, received by the students from the space stations also. I have those samples here. Okay? I have that. We have that greeting here. Okay? So if you involve in this, you will get such connectivity also. Space nunchi greetings ochindi. Wow. A wow thing. Right? Now, apart of that, most important, apart of being a habit, most important thing is you should get ready to serve the people around us in case of any disaster. వరదలు వచ్చినా, తుఫాన్లు వచ్చినా, భూకంపాలు వచ్చినా, ఎప్పుడు కమ్యూనికేషన్ జీరో అవుతుంది, ఇది హీరో లాగా పనిచేస్తుంది. n number of times it proved itself. So every day we have to train ourselves in such a manner that one or the other day we will be coming in service to our fellow man. Okay, దేశభక్తి కూడా ఉట్టిపడేటట్టుగా మనం ఈ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తుంటాం అన్నట్టు. Okay, now let me not go further. We have two types. One is handy, another one is base station. Okay, the best thing about this radio is we can prepare our own antenna. Anywhere we go, we can prepare a small antenna, we can use it. Okay, that's the best thing. And second part of this communication is this one. No matalu, only dits and das, dots and dash. Matalu undavu. Let me show. This is E. This is A. This is B. Okay? Every letter will have its identity. Only two things. Dot, dash. ఈ కాంబినేషన్స్తోనే అక్షరాలన్నీ వస్తాయి. అక్షరాలతో పాటు we get words, we get sentences. ఓకే, మాటలు లేకుండా కూడా మెసేజ్ని పంపించవచ్చు. ఈజీ టు లెర్న్. Easy to learn. If you learn this, only then you will get the second grade, the general grade license. Easy to learn. We will train you. Need not worry. So we have ham radio. We have Morse code also. The best way of communication. The primary communications also. These things only. And even now, You watch any Hollywood, Bollywood movies, advanced, you will find the use of these things. Okay? So let us see. In India, actually abroad, everywhere abroad, lot of licenses are there. Even in the school. In the school itself, there is a syllabus. They write the exam. Within 1 hour, they get the license. But it is not happening in India. That's why people like us are promoting this. Okay? I am not good at electronics, but I am good at conveying the message here. Okay? So we will see that Suryapet becomes the town with 100 plus license holders and many radio stations and a few clubs also. So Digdas, alphabetical stories also there. These things are there. A lot else is also there. In Andhra Jyoti, this information was there. My photo as a scoutmaster and radio. That detail came in Andhra Jyoti 3 or 4 years ago. And there is a competition about with this Inadu and Sakshi also, but we could not give them time. Thank you.